Hi, my name is Abigail Rumer. I'm an athletic trainer for Franciscan Health Sports Medicine, and I've been an athletic trainer for 5 years. And I love being an athletic trainer because obviously I love sports, but being around the athletes and helping them more on a medical standpoint, it's pretty fun and rewarding to see them get back to sports. Stretching is obviously really important. Prior to working out, I say it to my athletes all the time. I tell them that there's a lot we have to do in order to get ready for practices or games, and stretching is definitely one of those. There are two forms of stretching. There's static stretching, and then there's dynamic stretching. Static stretching is a lot more of a slower, deeper, we're really focusing on one kind of muscle group. And then dynamic is more of like going through a range of motion, working more for more than one muscle group, as well as getting you warmed up prior to a workout. There's no right or wrong. I like dynamic as well as static stretching. However, dynamic is going to be really good to make sure that they're getting warmed up adequately, but they're also kind of just getting loose and getting ready for practices. So dynamic stretching would include like high knees. You can do some skips. You can do butt kicks, anything that's kind of moving, that's kind of making them go through a range of motion. So I specifically like high knees and butt kicks just because we're going to stretch the hamstrings and the quads, but we're also going to go through that range of motion for the hips, for the knees, for the ankles. Those are really good to kind of loosen it all up. So the more common static stretches that you'll see are a lot of times you'll do hamstring stretches, which is just a basic, you can get in a straddle position, as well as you can do quad stretching. A lot of the times people do like upper arms, so they stretch like biceps, triceps, any of those. We're just going to hold for a longer period of time just to make sure that we're really kind of deeply stretching those muscles. For more information, visit franciscanhealth.org/sportsmedicine.